Hey you guys, Noreen here. I just wanted to pop on real quick and share this with you because, I am getting ready and gearing up to get back in the kitchen and share more recipes with you after 2.5 years of really kind of flaking on you, and you know why. Bad hips don't sink ships, they sank me. So, anyway, Rick's been doing a majority of the meal preparation in the house since I was having a problem really just standing up for even 5 minutes at a time without being in intense pain. Well, I'm off my walker, I'm off my cane now, and even though that's the case, I'm still not 100%. And because Rick is preparing the meals, I try and make it easier on him. But I wanted to share this with you because I don't often come across a prepared frozen item that I think is worth sharing, but this one is, and I think it's going to really amaze you at what it is. I'm going to share, I'm going to pop a picture in here so you can see what it is. But this is the chicken pot pie that is the Bettergoods line from Walmart, believe it or not. This thing is delicious. It is seasoned so well, like I would season a pot pie filling. It didn't ooze out all over the pie plate when Rick cut into it. The slices stayed whole and solid without being gloppy. The bottom crust is crispy, flaky, and delicious, as is the top. We baked this. Did you bake this in the air fryer oven?
No, regular.
Bake it in the regular oven? Mm-hmm. Even so, Rick happened to notice that, because I mentioned that the bottom crust was even crispy. It wasn't soggy, which is one of the things that annoys me about a frozen pot pie. So often the bottom crust either doesn't get all the way cooked or it's super soggy. But this one, super crispy, delicious, perfectly done. And I think the secret is the way that the foil pan is designed. It has
dimpled.
It has dimples that face up. So it's got like little platforms in the pie plate, and it prevents the crust from sitting in the gravy and getting soggy, and it's really, really good. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with the Walmart Bettergoods brand, but honestly, everything I have tried is absolutely delicious, and the pot pie is no exception. They make the pot pie in a chicken, which is this one, a beef, which we have not tried, but I do have in my freezer, and a vegetable version. So if you are vegetarian, you can enjoy a delicious home-style pot pie as well. Now, I have tried the corn salsa, and it is just so delicious. It's almost like the corn salsa from Trader Joe's, but it is a little spicier, but it's so good. We've tried the Bettergoods Greek yogurt is so amazing. My favorite flavor is the pineapple. And anytime you get the opportunity to try the Bettergoods line, which is Walmart's version of a healthier eating line that has fewer additives and preservatives and better ingredients. They are a little more expensive than like the Great Value brand, but I will have to say everything I have tried from the Bettergoods line is 100% worth it. So take a break one night if you don't want to work so hard for dinner. Grab one of these pot pies. They run just under $9 a piece. And they are full-size pies, and they will feed a healthy portion for 4 people if you cut them in 4 pieces. And this served with a side salad is plenty for a delicious meal. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'll leave a link down below to the Walmart website where you can go directly to the Bettergoods pot pie, and you can check it out for yourself. And maybe if you like to do your shopping online, you can just pop that right into your cart and make it easy on yourself one night. Or maybe you have kids at home who can start this before you get home from work. So I hope you appreciate this. I hope you learned something. I definitely hope you give it a try. And thank you, Walmart, for finally offering something that is delicious, inexpensive, will feed a family of 4, and doesn't take forever to make. This does take about an hour in the oven, but honestly, it's worth it. It's worth every minute. Just plan ahead, pop it in the oven, and you're good to go. So that's my little review of the Bettergoods chicken pot pie from Walmart. I hope that you learned something. I hope you like this. If you like this food review, let me know in the comments below, and I will do more of these, and we'll see how that goes. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and be sure and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss out on any videos that I post in the future, and you'll always know what's happening in Noreen's kitchen. Okay, until next time, I'll see ya.